breakfast.
What would he do without me? What would he do without me? Oh. What's wrong, madam? Finish? Thank you.
Same thing. When I do the shoes, for example, I can't tie the legs.
So who tied for you?
I just do what I can.
Because now we're about to go. You want to go put it on top?
No, that's fine.
Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a perfect time to talk to you guys because I don't have time to sit down and talk to you guys like I used to. I'm about to head out right now to drop the kids to school. I have a few things on my agenda to do today. But mission one, drop my kids to school. My daughter wake up last night about 100 times. So this morning when my phone alarm 6 o'clock to work out, I'm like, nope, not I. That's getting up to work out. Turn around. So now I'm here helping one hand to shave before I head out because you guys know baby hand is not well. So I'm his assistant. Sometimes Tyler is his assistant. Depends on what he wants to do or who he finds in the moment.
No, for sure, I want us that to Tyler.
Yeah, Tyler, that definitely shave you. And you might be surprised to see him do it well. Because one day he'll have to do this. You know that Ty? You'll have to shave yourself one day. Alright, it's the best shave you've gotten in a long time. Hold your head down. Now you need to go and put lotion on your face, please. Alright, say good morning to the faves.
Good morning, guys. You want me
He's
to
heading
shave
off.
it too?
Go! Sarah, come.
Just clean the what Tyler drinks so I can drink too.
There's more than one, babe. Come, Sarah. Sarah, come. We have to go to school. Oh my God, I'm calling her and she's there singing Halloween night during Christmas time. Say good morning to the faves. Tell us good morning to the faves. Hi. One reading book, one doing Halloween time. Ty, you put your water in your bag?
Yes.
Yes? Come, bag. Why your jacket not zip up? Put your hand in. Sarah, do. None of your jackets are zipped up. Why? No. Don't let me have to slap you this morning. You do what you have to do first before you read. Okay? You finish getting dressed properly and then you read. The book is not going anywhere, but you have to go to school. And now look, it's closed. To the door. Sarah, to the door. Tyler, your sports bag.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Go tell Papa bye. Go, Sarah. Anyway, guys, I'm heading out with the kids right now, so catch you guys when I get back. On the road, I'm in the streets. I have a mission to go on today. I need to get some things in town, a variety of things. I can't name everything to tell you guys what I'm gonna get, but I'll try and take you guys along with me as much as possible. And the baby and I also want to meet for lunch, so I want to go have a little lunch date with each other. So I'm on the road. Have a good day and I'll catch you guys throughout today. So I am in H&M. Mission is to find an anniversary gift for babe and to see what else I Come on, this is so cute. I need to add some more skirts to my wardrobe like these. Because of my bottom, I'm always scared of wearing skirt because my butt make the skirt back go up. So I'm always afraid to wear skirts. This can be for me with my boobs. And I need to add some sweater dresses to my wardrobe too. This one is nice. These things are not my style, sequins. No, no, no. Some nice tops. All right, mission accomplished. Oh, H&M. I found two nice matching pajama sets for the kids for Christmas, and I bought it. Of course, I'm obsessed with pajamas, Christmas pajamas. So I got those for the kids. I got a top for Babe for his anniversary. Now for Babe Christmas, he requested some books, so I'm heading to the bookstore, and then I'm gonna go across to the store to get the prunes and the raisins and the stuff for the cake. And let's see if I'll find good today. See if I'll find those before I meet up with Babe for lunch. So here we go in these streets. I'm kind of surprised that town is not so busy right now. Though it's in the morning, it's some minutes to 11. But I would expect it to be a little bit more busier than it is right now. As you guys can see, there's a few people out. It's chilly, but not that much people. I guess because school is still in session and is not yet Christmas break. So it's a perfect time for shopping for me. I need to spread my wings and give online shopping a try for myself. I hate buying clothes online because I love trying on my things before I buy them. But I need to try and change that because Shein have some really nice things, and Pretty Little Things have some really nice outfits, and you can get more variety when you shop online based off what I've seen on there. So I need to try to be brave and give online shopping a try. Let's see how that will go. Tram passing. Okay, you guys, I'm in the bookstore and I got one of the books that they want. I'll come back for the other one. So I'm going down to pay. No, it's you. You're mostly gonna have that one, so you choose that one. lunch date with babe. You choose?
With the mushroom when you
Okay.
mushroom sometimes.
Yeah, you like the mushroom thing.
The amber champignon.
Lunchtime, my baby. Say hi. Ready to eat? You guys, I made it back home and I went to the bookstore. Ta-da! He's gonna be so happy. Babe don't watch the vlog, so no, he will never see this. So I bought Babe 2 of the 3 books that he wanted, and I'm gonna try and go back and get the 3rd one for him and try and get him all of them. I also bought him an anniversary gift. I'm not gonna show you guys what I got him for anniversary though. And I still have to go back to get him 2 other things for Christmas. And I got the kids some cute pajamas for Christmas. This one is for Sarah, I think. This one is for Sarah, and this one is for my boy. So they'll be matching. They'll be so happy. They love matching. Tyler and Sarah. So I got them these at H&M. Was some good reasonable prices. It was €12.99 for one set. But I saw it caught my eye. So I bought it. Baby's gonna go. But anything for my babies. I got what did I got? I got my prunes. I need to take out the seeds because I can't find seedless prune here. I got raisin and I got currants. I do not put mixed peel in my Christmas cake. I'm not a mixed peel kind of girl for my Christmas cake, so I never buy mixed peel. I got more raisins and I got more prunes. So what I need to do is go ahead and steam those and blend them and put them down and wait for browning to arrive. Guys, in the comment section, stop telling me to use browning. I know. Bear in mind, I grew up with my grandma. All the old school things that you guys know, Mel know almost all of them too. I know I can use browning, but for my cake, I choose not to use browning. I know I can use burnt sugar to make browning, but for my cake, I choose not to go that route. Okay, I choose not to do it myself. I want to buy it. So if I don't get any butter browning, then I'll figure that out. But I have hope that the browning is going to reach. Anyway, I also bought some of these little things to continue my decor for Christmas. I know Sarah and Tyler will be happy when they see these. They love these little things like myself. So I got a few of these, and I also bought something that even on my way home I'm like, Lord, why did I buy this though? It cost me €20. It's a train Christmas set. So you make the train track and the train go around and sing with Santa Claus on it. I know the kids will be amused by it, so that's why I bought it. Not for me, but for the kids. But in my head, on my way, I'm like, Lord, why did I buy this? And it's always a dream of mine to create a little Christmas village during Christmas time, and I'm always looking for baby Jesus and Mary thing, and I never find anyone that I really like, and I finally found this one that I like. It was €3.99, so I bought it, and I bought this little house, which was the cutest. And yeah, so those are all the things that I bought today, and I went and had lunch with my husband, which was amazing. So that was cool. And that's all the things that I got today. So I need to go and hide off these gifts somewhere. until I get to wrap them another day. I'm not gonna fuss to wrap them today, but I need to hide them out from my husband. You see what I mean? From my husband. I might give him one of the book for anniversary instead of giving him 2 books for anniversary. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. We'll see, I'll figure it out. Guys, I'm in the kitchen because I need to go and pick up my kids from school. Well, just Sarah, it's Monday, so Tyler have sports 1 hour after pick up time, so Tyler won't be home until 7 p.m. So I'm making dinner before I go pick up Sarah, and for dinner I am making creamy broccoli and cauliflower in some mushrooms, and I am making Tyler's favorite couscous and rice mixed together, and then in the air fryer I also have salmon on the run. So that's dinner for today, shawty. Din for the fam bam. Let me give you guys a close-up shot so you can see what that looks like. Nothing beats creamy broccoli. If you want your kids to enjoy veggie, add heavy cream or coconut milk to it. It's always a win. If you want to see Tyler eat his vegetable fast, give him creamy broccoli. Sarah, on the other hand, do not love the cream on her veggies. She loves her vegetable plain. And look at me saying that, but yet I throw all the vegetable in the cream. However, I have some green beans in the fridge, so Sarah can get some of that. No worries, I got you, girl. So that's a creamy veggies. And then over here I have some rice, basmati, just finishing it in the rice cooker. And then over here we have the couscous looking bright and yellow. And then over here we have the salmon about to finish up in the air fryer. So, right and target, shawty. And I played with this stupid train.
That's not stupid.
It's not stupid.
No.
It's the worst train. It's the worst train I've seen in life.
No.
As long as you're happy, Ty, that's all that matters. Okay?
But why you don't play with the band shack that you have, the wooded shack?
As long as you're happy. So I Santa up here.
Sarah. Must.
As long as it makes you happy. That's all that matters to me. That was my aim when I purchased it.
You see what is there? What she said?
I need to fix. Yes! And not
Yay! Yay! Good job, Ty. Now you can put the tree in the middle.